Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to download documents from Google Docs. Okay, so if you have links of Google Docs and you want to download it, you can you can download it. And if you have documents in your own Google Docs account, so you can also download it. I will show you how you can download documents with different format. So let's start with the good video. So let's with before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So here you can see I am on my drive. Just go to your drive and open your drive and log in with your account, Google account. Now go to the search bar and you can filter the only documents. If you want, just filter the documents only. So all documents will be, you can see this is my all documents. So I just open one documents, or you can download it by just select this and just click on it, and you can download from here. So it will be download only docs format, or you can say word format. So if you want to download in different format, you can also download. Just double click on it and it will be open in next tab. Now you can go to the file. Okay, here the documents has been open. Now just go to the file and go to the downloads, and here you can see you can download as a word document, you can download as a OTD, you can download as a RTF, means notepad, you can download as a PDF, you can download as a plain text, you can download as a web page, you can download as a EPUB. So you can download as a PDF, you can also download as a word file. So just click on PDF. If you want to download the PDF, you can download it. So it will be saved on your computer. Okay, just click on it, so it will be download. So now if you now if okay, now if you want to download multiple files from your Google Drive, or multiple Google Docs file from your account, so you can also download. So first you have to filter with the documents only, so documents will be show here. So now you can select the multiple documents. Just hold the control key and select, click on file, then all file will be selected. Just hold the control key and click, or you can also select like this. Okay, I just show you how you can. Okay, so just navigate your cursor in space. Okay, on space here. Now click on it and hold it and just scroll, just select all like this. Okay, drag like this, then all file will be selected. Okay, so you can, I see I have select 4 file, or you can simply hit the control and A, then all file will be select in your window. Okay, control and A, then all 29 file has been selected, you can see in my window. So now go to the three dot option, you can download. So it will be downloaded in zip file. So you have to open the zip file and you have to unzip it to see all your downloaded documents. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for